So tyres and tread wear patterns. Why you have absolutely got to have a look at the inside edge of your tyre. I've got some Minerva tyres. I've got another video up about these. This is a Chinese run flat and I'm very happy with it. I'll put a link up. Have a look up here at the link that pops up for my comments about that, and I'm probably another 6 or 8 months on. Same thing goes. Extremely happy with these tyres. But these are on the back, and you do have to get actually 4-wheel alignments done, not just 2-wheel alignments. You want to have a look under here to look at the tread, particularly from the outside edge. It's like, yep, absolute ton of tread, really good, no problem. But when you get right down and underneath, you come in here and you have a look at the inside edge here. That's a different story. You see, we're actually talking unroadworthy here, or right on the very borderline. This tyre has worn on that inside edge. Now this is something I've come across before. I had an X5 in Colorado, and I had a tyre which on the inside edge here, where you couldn't see it, wore right through and got a hole in it and got really dangerous. And in actual fact, all 4 were worn on this inside edge. So this one, I've been looking going, oh, it's awesome. Heaps of tread, check it, trunky, not wearing. But in actual fact, the wheel alignment's out of this a bit, and it has chunked it out on that inside edge. The back one on the other side, go and have a look at it. It's actually a little bit worse. The one I really want you to see is this one here. Now again, have a look. Looking on the outside edge, looks okay. Looking in the middle, it's like, wow, heaps of tread. Wear indicators, nowhere near them. Look at that. Really good tyre, heaps of tread, nothing to worry about. But on the inside edge, this one, I don't know how you're gonna go pick it up in the video, but the tyre sort of curves over the top that way, and then here, it curves in. There's a really big scallop in on the tyres. Now, modern city driving with all the roundabouts and all the rest of it does tend to wear different parts of the tyre, but this one has scalloped way in. Now this is not as bad as the X5 I had in Colorado, but have a look at what's actually happened here. That has actually torn right through the tyre when you have a look at that. And now I think from these little marks here, there's actually been something that's cut it at the top, but as you look up here, you can actually see where that rubber's just about to wear through. And it really is just atrocious. Now I did not have a heads up on that, because that tyre, looking at it there all zoomed up, and the tread wear indicators, it's nowhere near those indicators. But it just goes to show how absolutely important it is to be checking that inside edge of your tyre. What's happened to me again, I don't know if this is specific BMW, I'm sure it's a lot of other cars as well, but when it comes to checking your wheels and tyres and your tread and whether or not they're roadworthy, it's not okay just to sort of look from the outside. You do have to feel right to that back edge, or maybe get under the back of the car and have a look, something like that. Because this is the second time it's happened to me. On a BMW X5 I had this. Just this edge here, it just, seriously, it's just scalloped right in. I don't know how a tyre can wear like that, but as you can see here, it's actually broken through and started to delaminate. Now, there's another spot there where it's done it, but have a look here. This is on the inside edge, and have a look at the tyre. For all the world to look at that tyre, it's been absolutely fine with heaps and heaps of tread, but in actual fact it's got a dirty little secret around the back here. So you really do need to check your tyres, and if it starts to come apart, that can get really serious, and it can do a whole lot of damage. If that delaminates, it can come and just destroy all of the guards and everything here. So that's something to look out for. That's the steel belt inside the tyre there. You see, this tyre is absolutely stuffed and very dangerous.